Hey guys, Tito James here. It's been a while, but today I'm excited to share my unboxing and first impressions for a phone that we just got our hands on with some seriously impressive specs. I'm of course talking about the HONOR Magic5 Pro. Let's check out what's inside the box. Once you peel off the plastic and open up the packaging, you're greeted by the phone itself. We got ours in the meadow green colorway, and grabe, kung hindi nyo pa gets kung ano yung special sa phone na to, ewan ko na lang, pero tabi muna natin to. Siyempre, nandito din yung tinatawag ni Ate Mary na panundot or yung SIM ejector tool, and you also have the included case. Wala yung documents na usually nakasama kasi marketing unit to na pinadala sa amin. Of course, aside from that, kasama din yung charging cable, USB syempre, at ang 66-watt charging brick. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about the phone. Let's start off with something juicy. The processor. This is rocking a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 at alam naman natin that this is incredibly powerful and designed to handle even the most demanding tasks. So kung mahilig kayo maglaro ng high-end games, mag-edit ng video sa phone ninyo, multitasking, or kahit ano pa, this will handle it with ease, especially with the 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage that this review unit has been paired with. I'm also expecting the Magic5 Pro to have excellent battery life. It has a 5,100 mAh capacity. I'm guessing you can easily get through a full day of heavy use without having to worry about your phone dying on you. As mentioned earlier, may kasama siyang 66-watt charging brick, and I've read that it can go from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes. I still have to test that out, pero mukhang bonus yun since madalas na nagkakaroon ng Carmageddon sa EDSA. Moving on to the display, it has a 6.81-inch LTPO display at sobrang ganda niya. The colors are incredibly vibrant and the blacks are deep and rich. I was particularly impressed with the display's high contrast ratio, which made images and videos really pop. We also have a refresh rate of 120Hz, and coming from my daily driver, which is still an iPhone 12, it really makes a noticeable difference in the smoothness and fluidity of the device animations and transitions. The display is also very bright. It has a peak brightness of 1,800 nits, but to be honest with you guys, hindi ko pa siya nasubukan kasi medyo pamatay yung init sa labas ngayon, so dito muna ako sa loob ng bahay. But yeah, it's incredibly bright. As for the cameras, this is the highlight of this phone. It features a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto that can go up to 100 times zoom. I'm super excited to try them out some more because the initial photos I took inside the house look really good. Overall, I'm impressed with the camera setup. At para naman sa selfies, you have a 12-megapixel camera and a depth sensor hiding in that, or not so much hiding because it's very evident, on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Now in terms of build quality, it does feel really good in hand, very sturdy, very well made. The glass on the front and back makes it feel really premium, and the metal frame gives the phone a nice weight and balance. The device is also IP68 rated, which means water and dust resistant. So no problems kung maulanan kayo kahit na sobrang init ngayon sa Manila. Now, one potential drawback for the HONOR Magic5 Pro could be its size. While some users might appreciate a large 6.81-inch display, others may find the device too big for comfortable one-handed use or carrying in a pocket. And this is something that even I experience, and my hands are pretty huge, so it really depends. To you, does size matter? Another thing could be that while the cameras on the phone are impressive so far, the design of the array can be very subjective. I for one am not a fan kasi sobrang nalalaki talaga ako sa kanya, but then again, medyo malaki din naman yung sensor na nilagay nila sa phone na to, so at least may rason siya. Now another point of consideration could be its curved display. I definitely read comments from you guys saying that you're not fans of curved display. It does make holding the phone a bit easier though. Of course, the biggest point of consideration when looking at a flagship phone, not just the HONOR Magic5 Pro, is its price tag. Unfortunately, as of recording this video, I don't have the price yet. I know I say that line a lot, pero guys, wala talaga eh. But if you convert the price from British pounds, it should be around 67,000 pesos, but the Philippine pricing should be less than this if it does arrive in the country officially. And that's pretty much it for my unboxing and first impressions for the HONOR Magic5 Pro. Let me know what you think about this device in the comment section and check back in a week for its full review. That's it for me. My name is Tito James. Peace, God bless. See you guys next time and stay hydrated.